Hello guys, welcome to another piano tutorial. And so today I'll be showing you a very sweet and nice passing chord to move from the 1 to the 4th. all right? So it's a rundown and at the same time a passing chord. Right, so let's go. I'll use Women of Faith song, Above All. Alright guys, so that's so I did the movement from the beginning of the song. Alright, crucify. Alright, oh faster. Laid behind the storm like a road trampled. Alright, so this is the I'm using this our A minor, right? So if I augment it, all right, we have A major. So that's the kind of the passing chord that we're passing through, right? So we are using 6, all right, 6 major, okay, 6 A major. Then we have G minor, all right, E minor before we get to the 4th. That's F major. All right, so that's the rundown. So we have the 1, all right, we move up to, all right, that's A major. We have A, C sharp and E, all right. Then we have 2, but with the 2 I was just pressing just one note here with my hand as well. Then move to the 3, all right, I press just E note with my right hand. Then before I get to the 4th, all right, I press, all right, G, all right, this F major inversion, all right. So so I want to show you how I did this thing. All right, this E, G, C sharp, all right, E, G, C sharp, all right. You come back the same way, C, E, G, C sharp, G, E, G, all right, 5, 4, all right. All right guys, so that's the very simple one I wanted to show us today. And all right, let me just give us a bonus one, like a song like Ancients of Days. Ancients of Days, all right, days are so as you are. All right, so this kind of a rundown as well. All right, I do this. All right, C, G sharp and E. I do it faster. All right, then I press, when I do that I press C and, all right, A. All right, ancients of Days as so as you. That's another rundown that we can get to the 4th. all right, I hope you learned something. Do well to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. God bless you.